request. For a reaction to X Japan. Um, I know about them. I probably heard a few songs in passing. I don't remember the song titles, so I'm going to be quite frankly honest about that right up front. Um, it was kind of hard not to know who X Japan is, because they're very prolific in uh, the Japanese heavy metal scene, the visual K scene, and those that are new to my channel and don't know, I spent some time in Japan. I've been there twice. First time around like 3 months or so. Second time less than a month. But during that time, I was over there interviewing bands from mostly around the Tokyo area, that would, whether they were traveling or just genuine in that, basically in that area, um, and also Nagoya a little bit. But I do know about Visual K. It was kind of hard to like not know, and with covering the Japanese heavy metal scene, I've been working on a documentary called Rising Steel. Basically, talk about the history of Japanese heavy metal in a way that hasn't been done before, and I've been singly handily doing it myself. Like there's no one else like funding it. No one uh, doing everything besides me interacting with all these bands and interacting with translators, and like this is self-funded, so it's taken some time because I don't have like a big studio to back me to do this, but I'm doing it out of pure love of it because I really enjoy the scene and it's my way of giving back, because it gave me so much where, um, just in my life with playing with some band members and becoming friends and just interacting and just in general, some stuff I will touch on a later date. But you know, yeah, of course, X Japan should be talked about in there, but they're on a level I can't like even like interview like management and all that, and it is not like a slam or anything. There are some bands it's very hard when you're the only person. I have a better chance of contacting Metallica. um like I've gotten so close to interacting with Metallica versus this, and that, yeah, I'm more scared to do that because I don't want, I look up to Metallica highly, and you know, uh, to have their perspective on there, is something maybe I'll touch on a later date. But doing a documentary, going back to X Japan, is it's touching on a lot of history of the underground Japanese heavy metal scene that hasn't been talked about, like the thrash, and obviously Visual K has played a part in that, obviously. But X Japan does come up. It does. So maybe one of these days, maybe I'll be lucky enough. But I highly doubt I'll be able to interview um, any of the members that are still around. But I know I don't want to waste any more time, but I figure give you a little bit backstory. But with that being said, this is going to be my genuine reaction to X Japan. Usually I don't like rock with Visual K because I always associate it glam metal. Which, hey, if you like it, cool. It's just I'm more like I like the extreme side of music, but who knows at the end of this video, you'll see. So without further ado, let's get it. Endless Rain. Okay. Well, I knew it was a song title, but I clicked on it first. Bad melody. No, stop. I'm sorry. Let's hide. I know him. That Mohawk's fucking sick, though. Okay, I like the bid. Much for ballads, but this is actually pretty good. The amount of hairspray to keep that on crazy. Don't bring me over. That's a sick melody. a powerful fucking message, though. Damn, I didn't realize it was 7 minutes. Oh, damn. That's crazy. Yeah, that has to be the end. Yeah. So, black screen. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know what to expect. I've never heard this song before. For ballad, it won me over. Well, I'll have to check out more X Japan. But honestly, guys, yeah, thanks for recommending X Japan. I just clicked on the most viewed video, and I was like, all right. Had no idea it was a ballad at all. I didn't, in fact, hear the song before, um, but you know, I know they have some songs that are like heavy. Um, so if you let me know in the comments. Like any other X Japan, if you want me to react to, or any other like bands, shit, I'm okay with reacting to Shoya. I am a fan of Shoya. Those that don't know, and I do follow the scene very closely. Like the scene in Japan with metal goes back a long time, and there's tons of amazing bands out there. So it's kind of hard to consume them all. Um, but yeah, it's better late than never. But yeah, I do know the fact that X Japan puts their all into their music. And the drummer, I can't remember his name. Someone's gonna let me know. Uh, he's very notorious, known for wearing a neck brace. I've seen his stuff like playing piano, and I do see his stuff come up on Twitter constantly. They're like just people that I follow, and that's how I know a lot about him. But and obviously I know who Hyde is. Like I don't know a lot about him, but I know of him. To be honest, um, a lot more people know a lot more than I do, honestly. And this is just opening like a whole new world for me, because I've never really dived into the Visual K world, and someone's gonna be like, you're mispronouncing it. Um, but hey, at least I'm not saying Visual Kei. Um, but that being said, if you want me to react to more from them, please let me know a particular song. Hey, maybe as if it even heavier, maybe I'll like that even more. But honestly, I didn't hate this. Um, but hopefully you made it to the end of this with my rambling in the beginning and at the end. But if you want to be notified if I in fact react to one of the recommendations that you put in the comments, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when that in fact drops. And if you be kind, I'll be kind and ask if you could please smash the like button because it helps the channel. I don't make anything off this. I just do this for the pure enjoyment of music and interact with amazing people around the world, talk about their love of music and putting me onto some stuff that I never gave a chance to before or just never knew about. And it gets a channel out to a wider spread audience, so the YouTube algorithm gods will be appeased with a simple like, and literally that's all Like, if you can do that, that'd be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, I don't want to make this video any longer than it should be. But I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, stay in metal, and take care. I just said take care twice. I know. Later.